On the 12th of May 2021, everything changed for crypto. This was the day that Elon Musk announced that Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin for car purchases, and this absolutely crushed the price of Bitcoin during what was supposed to be the major bull market of 2021. This had never happened before in crypto history. So all on the back of just one single tweet on the 12th of May 2021, we saw the crypto market absolutely get destroyed. It got hammered. It went down from nearly $60,000 in the height of a bull run all the way down to under $30,000. And yeah, that was a couple of years ago. So why am I saying now that I'm going to stop creating crypto related content? Well, it's actually all down to one of two things. It's either because people are no longer interested in crypto, or because YouTube has actually stopped or tweaked the algorithm in some way since that point right there in order to prevent the reach of crypto related content. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm first going to go through my stats, and I'm going to show you a bunch of the other top crypto YouTubers as well. This is me, so this is Muchuru. This top chart here is the video views which I've got. You can see here May 2021. So this was the bull run, everything going great, getting tons of views on every single video, and then all of a sudden, for some reason, just as we passed May and crypto went down, the views on videos just started to absolutely tank. And you can see the same thing happening down here with the subscribers. Everything, the subscribers going absolutely fantastic up until May 2021 when everything came down. And now there's basically, if you have a look at this zero line here, so anything under the zero line means you're now losing more subscribers each month than what you're gaining. And now BitBoy Crypto, you can see pretty much the same thing here, May 2021. You know, he did have a sort of a second bounce. Obviously, he's a very big channel, so he did get the second bounce in the end of the bull market where it really did top out. But overall, you can see down here on subscribers, ever since May 2021, he's just not actually reaching new viewers on YouTube. And here we got Lark Davis here, so the crypto Lark, and exactly the same story. May 2021, everything just gets cut off. Here, Altcoin Daily, exactly the same situation, May 2021. Here we've got Data Dash, and Data Dash, same story again. Okay, May 2021, and then everything starts to go. He did again have a little peak there because he's a very big channel, and that peak is obviously because this wasn't the top of the bull market. We were still in the bull market. The peak was actually over here later on in the year in November. And here, Coin Bureau. Now, Coin Bureau is the biggest channel with over 2 million subscribers. Yet you can see their subscribers were coming in right and fast up until that point, and then they all tailed off and now is dipping down around that zero line. 99 Bitcoins, one of the best training type videos for new beginners getting into crypto, and he saw exactly the same thing as everybody else in crypto. Here we have a newer channel, Crypto R Us, and same story again. And now Voscoin, one of my favorite crypto YouTubers, and he has seen exactly the same. So he has a little peak there and then it all goes down, and now he is struggling to keep subscribers and reach new people just the same as everybody else. Elio Trades, a very popular new younger crypto YouTuber which came about in the last bull run, done very, very well initially and then just died of death, and he is on 0 subscribers every single month just like the rest of us. Ready Set Crypto, same story. Crypto Revolution makes videos every single day about crypto, and he has seen exactly the same thing. Massive shoot up there up to May 2021, and then everything just died off. Hashoshi, a crypto YouTuber from Canada, and he's seen the same as everybody as well. So subscribers were coming in great up until May 2021, and then again everything just dies off. You can see his views as well going down, and this guy makes really good content. So we're left here with two questions. Is it because people in general around the world have decided that they're no longer interested in crypto, or is it YouTube which is actually suffocating the crypto YouTube channels? Well, after the last few years of massive inflation all over the world, we have seen people everywhere from all types of countries now adopting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency as payments rather than their national currencies, which are obviously getting inflated. From all the data that I've been looking at over the last month, I think it's actually going to be due to YouTube itself doing something with the algorithm to prevent YouTube videos reaching newer audiences, most likely with a view to protect those audiences from losing money. And you got to say that's probably pretty fair. I mean, we all know what happened with Celsius not so long ago. And then of course there was the huge FTX collapse as well. So I think this time around, rather than in the past with Alex Jones and the flat earthers, which YouTube just flat out just deplatformed, I think what they've done is just tweak the algorithm to just prevent that crypto YouTube content going out to people which are not yet subscribed to the channel. So does this mean that we're quitting making content at all? Absolutely not. Now I do understand, because there's crypto in this title of this video, I wouldn't expect that we're going to see a lot of views on this particular video, but in future I'm going to be following in the footsteps of these traders instead, which is making content more for just general stocks, forex, you know, whatever it is that you want to trade. It doesn't have to be crypto specific. And at the end of the day, with the type of strategies that we use, which are all price action based strategies using technical analysis and automated trading methods, you can apply these things to anything: gold, silver, oil, forex, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or maybe whatever it is that you want to actually trade. You can use the type of strategies that we analyze here on this channel for anything that you like. So we don't really need to sort of be in this niche of crypto only. Now, I spent the last year learning from these guys. These are all like ex-Goldman Sachs type traders and all that. I've done the course with these. Anton Creel, excellent guy. Love these guys. Now, this course is awesome, okay? And it sets you back about $3,500. And I just want to say, I will not be sharing that content with you guys for free here on YouTube. Absolutely not, because I don't think that's a very cool thing to do. But you will no doubt see some of that type of mentality and mindset coming out in a lot of the strategies that we're going to be sharing instead. Now, I've been looking through, similar to Bitcoin, some of the trading YouTube channels that you see here, and you can see here May 2021, and unlike crypto, the normal trading channels just continued life as is. And you can see here he's gone down a little bit because he's probably stopped making so many videos. Here, Humble Trader, she's really good, makes really good quality content. And you can see here, you know, her views have been going up lately. She's still getting lots of subscribers coming in, very different from the crypto type YouTuber. And here you can see Clay Trader. Again, I think he's probably stopped making YouTube videos. Here we got Trading Lab, just came on the scene not so long ago, and they're absolutely rocketing up. Just look at this. This is views in the millions for Trading Lab videos. They're very, very new and they're growing very fast. And we've got this guy making content, Trade with Pat, and he's been around since May 2021 as well. But unlike a crypto YouTuber, his channel is growing month on month on month. And you can see here down here with subscribers as well, it's just growing all of the time. Scarface Trades here does strategy type content, like the sort of thing that we would do, and you can see he is growing absolutely massive as well. Look at these views, over 200,000. My trading journey as well was around in May 2021, and again, unlike a crypto related channel, his channel has absolutely exploded with views and subscribers over the last couple of years. Now, you may feel that the downfall for the crypto YouTubers is due to the bear market. However, I was around in the last bear market, and really the channel didn't even start until we was already in the last bear market, and we grew from zero, or let's say 12, 15,000 to like 30,000 over the last bear market. We didn't ever have a month before where we lost more subscribers than gained. We were always gaining subscribers all the way through the bear market, continually always to grow the channel up until May 2021. So with that analysis, guys, it is official. I quit crypto YouTube. If you want to stick around and stay subscribed and see some of that normal trading strategy related content and automated trading stuff, then do stick around, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.